Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this simple and quick video, I will show you how to withdraw USDT from your Coinbase wallet or from your Coinbase account. So first and foremost, open up your Coinbase. Now, as you can see, this is the official Coinbase account or official Coinbase exchange, and I'm logged in. So once you're logged in, what you'll do is quite simple. You want to click on transfer, or you tap on transfer. Then as you can see over here, you have this option which says send crypto to another address. So you tap on that option. So once you tap on that option over here, you'll see that there'll be some crypto coins that will load up over here. And as you can see, for my case, my account isn't verified, but if yours is verified, you'll see a lot of crypto coins loading up at this point over here, from USDT to BTC to many others. So once they load up over here, you then tap on anything like BTC or USDT and then input the address. Now for this case, let's assume you're withdrawing USDT from crypto.com to your Trust wallet. You head over to your Trust wallet application or your Trust wallet account right away to get your USDT address. Now as you can see, I'm on my Trust wallet account. I need to first put in my password. Now once you're done putting in your password, we shall go ahead and then copy the receiving address. So in my Trust wallet over here, I'll come to the home page. Once I'm at the home page over here, I'll tap on receive. Once you tap on receive, you go ahead and select USDT. You just have to search for it, as you can see. Now tap on USDT and take note of the network. This one is the BNB Smart Chain network, and then copy it. After copying the address, head back to your crypto.com and then head back to your Coinbase wallet, and then over here, as you can see, you go ahead and then paste your address you're finished copying. Once you paste your address you're finished copying, you'll be able to draw it from USDT or from your Coinbase wallet or from your Coinbase exchange to your Trust wallet. And that's how simple it is, guys. For my case, I don't have enough, but if you have enough, you can go ahead and then follow the simple procedures. So guys, take note that to make any transactions on your Coinbase wallet, you need to first verify your account. As you can see, mine says they need my verification information. So you just tap on that and then verify and then proceed with everything. That's all for today, guys. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.